Hi children, welcome to our next session. Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Up to now, what we discussed, children? Yes. Open your textbooks. Then go through. Yes. Chitravarma was a famous painter in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. So the king Sri Krishna Devaraya wanted to reward Chitravarma for his talent in paintings. One day, Sri Krishna Devaraya reached Chitravarma's house and observed what he did. There, Chitravarma painted a beautiful picture which shows natural qualities or nature. Then, immediately the king announced, "Yes, Chitravarma, you should be not here, you should be in my court. So, I will appoint you as the chief advisor to the king." But Tenali Ramakrishna opposed this. King Chitravarma was very talented person in painting, not in administration. But the king got angry and warned Tenali Ramakrishna, "Don't cross your limits." So after appointment of Chitravarma as the chief advisor, his plans, his actions were not relevant. They are irrelevant. All are confused a lot. People grew impatient. So the people in the court, they approached Ramakrishna, "Please solve this problem. Please help us." So Ramakrishna said, "Yes, I have an idea. So I will clear your problem." The next day, Ramakrishna approached the king and invited the king for his son's naming ceremony. So king said, "Yes, I will be there with pleasure." So the king entered Ramakrishna's house and blessed the child Dirghayushman Bhava with a Sanskrit word, and he gifted a gold chain around the neck of this boy. Up to this, we have completed, children. Isn't it, children? Yeah, exactly. You have to prepare this summary of your own. Have you done your task, children? What was the task I given yesterday? Yes? Pick up or find out a story related to Tenali Ramakrishna and his wittiness. Have you found it? Yes, exactly. Very good, children. You have to go through the stories of Tenali Ramakrishna. They are very funny and clever. They increase your cleverness. How we have to behave. Right? From that onwards, we see the lesson in the page number 4. Right, children? So it starts, Ramakrishna, "Thank you very much, Your Majesty. You are requested to join us for lunch." So for any ceremonies, what will they arrange? Lunch they will arrange. So, Your Majesty, Your Highness, please join for having food. Come on, this is your place. Sit here and everything will be served here. Please sit here. "Thank you very much, Your Majesty. You are requested to join us for lunch." Lunch means midday meal. Midday meal is called lunch. Morning, breakfast. Between breakfast and lunch, what do you have, children? Brunch. Between breakfast and lunch, we have word like brunch, children. Brunch means it is a break between breakfast and lunch. Right, children? Midday, lunch. In the evening, snacks. Night, supper. Night, supper we have. Right, children? Yeah. So, let us. They welcomed the king with respect and humble. Yes, come on. Sri Krishna Devaraya, after having tasted, yes, in his plate in his plate. Everything is served by his wife or some servants. So he tasted some items like a pickle or dal. He tasted one. After having tasted, oh, water, water, give me water, urgent. Here after eating, water, 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 give me urgent. Give me water, urgent. He can't bear. What will happen, children? Yes, guess. When do you need water while having food? When you feel spicy. When you feel spicy, you need water to drink. Isn't it, children? Here it happened. After having, oh, water, water, give me water, urgent. Urgent. Urgent means here immediately. Without late, please give me water, a glass of water. Urgent means without late. Without late. Without late, please give me water. Courtiers, oh God, water, water. Who came along with the king, they too feel the same. Water, water, it is spicy. Please, water. You observe how they feel. Sri Krishna Devaraya, hey Ramakrishna, what is this? Horrible dishes. Dishes means here food items. Dishes means nothing but food items. Food items. Whatever you serve, they are not tasty. Hey Ramakrishna, with a high voice he said, hey Ramakrishna, what is this? What are you doing? You invited me for lunch, but what is this lunch? Is it tasty? Horrible, unpleasant. Horrible means here unpleasant. Unpleasant, unhappy, unpleasant, unhappy. They are not tasty, the food items. So, it's too horrible to have the dishes. Courtier 1. It's too spicy. It's too spicy. I can't eat. Because like how you feel when chili powder is excess in your dal or in any curry. How you feel, children? Same way, courtier 1. Courtier 2, too salty. Salty. So excess of salt mixed in this dal. So it's too salty. Water, water please. Courtier 3, not cooked properly. It is undercooked. Still it has to be cooked. Still it has to be cooked by the cook, but it is not at all. So it is like raw food. Not tasty. Whenever you find in dal or curry something, a vegetable, if it is not cooked or boiled properly, what will happen? Little bit hardness you will find, isn't it, children? So taste is also not at all good for us. So the same way here courtier 3 mentioned not cooked properly, it is undercooked. So how dare Ramakrishna was in this context, children? Why did he do all these things like this? So as our Indian mythology, whoever comes to our house, we have to feed them with the tasty food, whatever we have. But here what Tenali did, is he correct, children? Yes, exactly, he is correct. His intention was to show something. His intention was to show a different activity through this one. What is that one? So Chitravarma was made the chief advisor to the king. Na? So that was wrong according to Tenali Ramakrishna. So he wants to play this trick to prove that was wrong. Isn't it, children? Think for a while. Why did he serve this untasty food to the king and his courtiers? To know the value. Yes, let us see now. So, not cooked properly, it is undercooked. Here, Krishnadevaraya angrily, who cooked this? Is this the way to cook food? Who cooked this food? Then Ramakrishna, tell me, who is that fellow? Is this the way to cook food? Doesn't he know how to cook food? Waste fellow, idiot, rascal, scandal. Doesn't he know how to cook food? Why do you appoint him here to cook food, all these things? So immediately he got angry because he was king now. So immediately he got angry and raised at Tenali Ramakrishna. Who is that dirty fellow to cook these food items? Whatever you served for me. So immediately, angrily, observe the spelling. Angrily, not LLY, children. Be careful. Angrily, not LLY. This will be given to the suffixes. For that sake they will give. For example, the blank will be LY or LLY. They will give this type of questions. You have to fill the blank here. Right, children? So be careful in this context. So spellings are very important for us. Right, children? Here angrily means only one LY we have, not LLY. Double L is not needed. Who cooked this? This means the food items, the dishes. Is this the way to cook food? Is this the way? So every item is very spicy, salty, not cooked. Is it correct way to cook food? Ramakrishna, you are celebrating here ceremony, a naming ceremony. How do you choose that type of rascal here? Courtiers, do you want all of us to die? What, Ramakrishna? Are you going to kill us? Yes, do you want all of us die? Die means no, no more. Yes, by eating all these things, definitely we will die here itself. Do you want that one? Ramakrishna? So here, Ramakrishna, with folded hands, how you stood in front of your teacher. By folding your hands, simply Ramakrishna said, please forgive me, sir. Please forgive me, sir. Let me introduce. Introduce means here, make him known. Let us see here you have now. Yes, in glossary also you can go through. In glossary you find, children, make known. Make known. Let me introduce the fellow who cooked food. I will show. Let me introduce the cook to you. Yes, sir, I will introduce him to you. No problem. Shri Krishnadevaraya, bring him at once or you will be punished. Ramakrishna, if he doesn't come here, you will be punished. First of all, because you welcomed us and you served not tasty food, spicy food, salty food, uncooked food. You will be punished first. Get him once again first. Bring him at once or you will be punished. Because the king was very angry there. Ramakrishna, presenting a carpenter. Carpenter means a person who works with children. Say, if you want to some woodwork in your house, like cupboards and little bit beadwork with wood, whom do you need? For doors. Yes, children. Exactly. Who is that fellow? Carpenter. Carpenter is a person who works with wood. Who works with wood is called carpenter. So, presenting, so calling one carpenter. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar. He is a carpenter. Best carpenter. Best means good, better, best. So, good means positive degree. Better means superlative degree. Better means comparative degree. Best means superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative degree. So this is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar, sir. A brilliant worker. Very excellent, very clever worker. Talented worker. Talented worker, sir, he is. Yeah. I gave him the task of cooking for today. Yes. I gave him the task means work. Task means nothing but work. What I gave already to you, children. Work of cooking for today. So I give catering or something, food order for this fellow today, because he is a good carpenter, na? So that's why I gave him this task. So by this, what do you understand, children? Exactly. Yes. The king gave the task of chief advisor to the king, to whom? Chitravarma. Who was Chitravarma? A great painter, a brilliant painter, a talented painter. He was talented in painter, not in administration. Here also carpenter was a talented person in constructing doors or darwajas or windows or any architecture related things. Isn't it, children? Yes, exactly. But whenever Ramakrishna gave the task of cooking, is it good, children? No, it's very bad, worst. The taste is very worst taste. They tested. Who tested? King and his courtiers. So that means one's talent in one's field is enough, but not into other field. That was the realization of Tenali Ramakrishna. So he wants to make the same realization to whom? The king Sri Krishna Deva Raya in this lesson. That was the trick here. So that's why the elders in the court, he gave one promise. Yes, I have one idea, I will do it. What is the idea? This is the idea. Inviting him to his son's naming ceremony and cook food by the carpenter and serve it to the king. Automatically what happened? Yes, king realized. So this is the total things, children, regarding to this paragraph. And let us see once again the paragraph with a summary. You may see the picture here, how king feels. You observe in this picture. Who served here? Tenali Ramakrishna served the king. Right, children? Now, let me summarize the paragraph with simple sentences of your own sentences also. You can prepare, children. Sri Krishna Deva Raya was invited for lunch at Ramakrishna's house on the occasion of his son's naming ceremony. The king was pleased with the politeness and the humbleness or humility of the Tenali Raman. So he sat in his chair for having food. So everything is served. After having food, the king asked for water. It was very urgent for me. The courtiers, they expressed it is spicy, salty and not cooked. It is undercooked. So immediately the king got angry at Ramakrishna. Hey Ramakrishna, what do you think of me? Who is that cook? Dirty fellow, idiot, rascal. Call him, otherwise you will be punished. Call him at once. So Ramakrishna cleverly presented there a carpenter. Carpenter means he is not at all good at cooking. Carpenter is good at woodwork. Right? So he said he was a famous, brilliant, talented carpenter in Vijayanagara king. That's why today I gave the task of cooking. If Ramakrishna gave the task of preparing windows or preparing a cot, so that will be good for the carpenter. But here what was the task here? Cooking. So he doesn't know. That's why he poured chili powder more than what is sufficient. He poured salt more than what is sufficient. And he doesn't know whether the vegetables are cooked or not in dal or in other curries. He picked out. Because he doesn't know how to cook food. Because he was a brilliant carpenter. He knows where he has to cut wood to make this design. He knows very well. But he doesn't know cooking. So this happens, children. So let us see question and answers based on this paragraph one by one. Ready, children? Are you ready? Yes. Open your notebooks and write down question and answers one by one, children. Let us see. Ready, children? First question. What did Ramakrishna request the king? In the first line you have. What did Ramakrishna request the king? Yes, Ramakrishna requested the king to join for lunch. For having lunch. Please, king, please have your lunch. He requested the king. Right? Let us see. You have to write the full length answer in a sentence. You have to construct a meaningful sentence, children. That's right. So let us see. Ramakrishna requested the king to join for lunch. To join for lunch. Inviting for lunch. Whenever you are attending any function, what will they do? Your relatives, yeah, come on, have lunch. Have lunch and take worship towards the God and then pray to the God. Then come to lunch. For example, Gruha Pravesha or Vivaha, that is marriage functions, whatever that is. Right, children? In the same way here also, Ramakrishna welcomed the king for lunch. Now, why did the king ask for water? Is there anybody who asked for, whoever asked for water while having food? For what? The food is not good. That's why they asked for water. Maybe it is spicy, maybe it is salty. Then only they asked for water. Right? Here the context is spicy and salty. Right, children? You have to note down. These two sentences are told by courtiers. But it was expressed by first whom? The king Sri Krishna Deva Raya. That's why he asked for water, water, water. Give me water, urgent, he mentioned. For what? Spicy and salty and not cooked food. Right, children? The king asked for water because it was too spicy. It means here, children, food, the dish, whatever that is, was too spicy and salty. You may add here uncooked. Uncooked. That is also no problem. Right, children? Next. What did the courtiers say? Courtiers say, na? Same they told, but after the king they told. Right? What they told, children? One told spicy, other one told salty, other one told undercooked. So, the courtiers said it means here, you have to remember, children, it means food. It means here food item, whatever they mentioned. That's why I mentioned here it. Here, it means food or dish, whatever they served. Too spicy, salty and not cooked properly. Not cooked properly. That is told by the courtiers one by one. Now, what did the king say angrily? With anger, he says something. What is that? Yes, children, what is that? Exactly. Hey Ramakrishna, what is this? Is it the way to cook food? In this way, he showed his anger. So, go through the text once, children, you may find. The king said angrily that, who cooked that? Who cooked that? There you have, who cooked this? I changed it a little bit. Who cooked that? And whether this was the way to cook, whether this was the way to cook. Here making a little bit question. There you have, is this the way to cook food? In your textbook you have. You should not write the sentences as it is. You have to change grammatically. So that was an interrogative sentence. Is it the way to cook food? Is this the way to cook food? They mentioned. So the sentence starts with helping verb. Whenever the sentence starts with a helping verb, it is called interrogative sentence. But in answers, you should not write the questions, children. So you have to keep the helping verb after the subject. So that's why this was the way to cook. Here I take the help of conjunction whether, children. You may know in your higher section how to connect these sentences. Right, children? But now, up to now, you have to remember this task. Next one. Did the king and courtiers enjoy the dinner? Yes, children? Say, did the king and courtiers enjoy the dinner? Yes? Exactly. Not enjoyed. They felt spicy, salty, not cooked. So, no, the king and courtiers did not enjoy the dinner. Dinner means here occasional serving. Occasional serving food is called dinner. They came for occasion only in a naming ceremony. That's why. If you want to write enjoy lunch, you may write lunch. Without article, you can write lunch. Right, children? You may write anything else, no problem. What was the reply from Ramakrishna? So when the king questioned him, what was the reply from Ramakrishna? Yes? What was the reply from Ramakrishna, children? Go through the text. Yes, exactly. You got the answer. Ramakrishna replied to forgive him. Forgive me, king. Your Majesty, forgive me. He should introduce the cook who made the spoiling here. Yes? I will invite the cook. You may ask him. I will introduce him to you, my dear king. You may give punishment to that fellow. Who was the cook? Yes? Really? Is he a cook? No. Children, really? Is he a cook? No. What was he then? Yes, exactly. He was a carpenter who works with wood. Yes, here. Who was the cook? The cook was the best carpenter in Vijayanagara. Throughout the kingdom, he was the best personality. That's why he caught him and made the cook of this function. Yes, children, how funny it is? Very funny one. Right, next one. Why did Ramakrishna give cooking task to the carpenter? Why? What was the reason? Yes, the hidden reason. You have to logically apply this. So by the end of this paragraph, I have already told you, he wanted to make king's realization there. So Chitravarma became the chief advisor to the king, though he was a painter. Here, though he was a carpenter, he made a cook. That was the logic he observed. So let us see. Because Ramakrishna wanted to make the king to realize his mistake. What was the mistake mentioned here? Chitravarma's job, Chitravarma's profession here mentioned Tenali Ramakrishna. Actually, Chitravarma did not accept the proposal of the king, really. But with the fear, if he didn't accept the offer, what the king will do? Definitely the king will punish him. That's why, yes, your highness, yes, thank you very much for your offer. He has to tell, that's all. There is no other way for him. Whom? Chitravarma. Next children. Who is a carpenter? Actually, let us talk about what is the profession of the carpenter. Yes, children, carpenter is a person who works with wood, that fellow. Right, children? Let us see. A carpenter was a person who works with wood. Who works with here? Wood. That fellow is called carpenter. Now, which task was given to the carpenter by Ramakrishna? Which task was given by the Ramakrishna? What was the task? Cooking task. Very good, children. Very nice answer. Yes, for carpenter, is it possible to cook food? Tasty? Delightful? Not at all possible. Yes? Let us see. Cooking task was given to the carpenter by Ramakrishna. So, the intention of Ramakrishna was the king made a mistake in appointing Chitravarma as the chief advisor to the king. That was his intention, not to blame the king. Made realization here. Right, children? Next one. So, these are the question and answers related to the paragraph what we have discussed. Right, children?